renowned architect Louis Kahn, the Jatiya-Sangsad Bhavan is the seat of Bangladesh's national parliament. Completed in 1982, the complex is an architectural masterpiece, characterized by its modernist design and use of geometric shapes. The building's design symbolizes the harmony between the nation's heritage and modern aspirations, making it an essential representation of contemporary architecture in Bangladesh. Dhaka Zoo, officially known as the Bangladesh National Zoo, is a popular recreational destination and a center for wildlife education located in the capital city of Bangladesh, Dhaka. Established in 1974, the zoo houses a diverse collection of animals from around the world, including mammals, birds, reptiles, and fish. With its well-designed exhibits and educational programs, Dhaka Zoo provides visitors with a unique opportunity to learn about various species and their conservation. Padma Bridge stands as an engineering marvel, connecting regions of Bangladesh and fueling economic growth. Its successful construction has significantly improved transportation and brought immense pride to the nation. This iconic bridge represents a bright future for Bangladesh and a testament to its progress and development on the global stage. The National Mosque of Bangladesh, also known as Baitul Mokarram, is a grand and iconic place of worship located in the heart of Dhaka, the capital city. Designed by architect Abdul Hussein M. Thariani, it is one of the largest mosques in South Asia and can accommodate thousands of worshippers at a time. Baitul Mokarram serves as a symbol of religious unity and national identity, attracting visitors from all walks of life who come to admire its impressive architecture and partake in prayers. As finally I want to say, Dhaka's historical places stand as witnesses to its glorious past, reflecting the city's diverse cultural heritage and architectural brilliance. From ancient Mughal forts and palaces to temples, mosques, and churches, each site holds a unique story that showcases the richness of Dhaka's history. Exploring these historical landmarks offers visitors a journey through time, providing insights into the city's cultural evolution and its significant contributions to Bangladesh's cultural tapestry.